Hi there, Laura here with Laura's Crafty Life. Today I'm going to show you how to use the We Are Memory Keepers banner punch board to easily create a variety of banner shapes in just minutes. The banner punch board can create three types of shapes: pennants, flags, and crests. Start by trimming your paper to your desired width. For this banner, I trimmed my paper 3 inches wide. To create the flag shape banner, open the cutting arm and center your paper on the punch board using the white measurement lines as your guide. Then close the cutting arm. Cut the flag shape in 2 motions by following the cutting arm guide at the top of the board. To create the pennant shape, open the cutting arm and center your paper on the punch board using the measurement line as your guide. Close the cutting arm. Cut the pennant shape by following the cutting arm guide, this time at the bottom of the board. To create the crest shape, open the cutting arm and insert your paper with the bottom edge lined up with the blue guides and the paper centered using the white vertical measurement lines. Close the cutting arm and cut the crest shape by following the cutting arm guide at the top of the board. Repeat this process to create as many pieces as you would like for your banner. You can use the horizontal blue lines on the punch board to create the correct length banner, or you can use your paper trimmer to trim all the pieces to the same length. To punch holes for stringing, align the square or angled corners of your banner piece at the top of the punch board and punch the hole for your banner piece. Flip the paper and repeat on the opposite side. Decorate and embellish your banner pieces however you like. I used my clear-cut hexagon punch and some sparkly gold thickers to spell out the word happy. I attached them using an adhesive foam dot. Use baker's twine or ribbon to string your banner pieces together. You can have your ribbon or twine show on the front of the banner or be hidden behind. To hide your twine behind the banner, begin by running the twine down towards the back side of the banner on the left, then come up at the right side. To allow your ribbon or twine to show on the front of the banner, start by stringing your ribbon up through the left hole and then back down through the right. Making banners is easy and fun with the banner punch board.